how do you solve problems like that? Identify and recognize that the problem by observing the situation. Ang kalat naman dito sa opisina, that's an example. Kumikindat-kindat yung ilaw. Uy, mukhang mapupundi na to. So that's an example, right? Pangalawa is categorize. Determine that the problem is straightforward and fits into a known category. So kung so in short, sinasabi rito is i-recognize mo kung obvious problem ba siya or simple problem ba siya. Apply established best practices or standard operating procedures to resolve the issue. Di ba? Pag out of stock, anong gagawin mo? Mag-order. Di ba? Mag-requisition. Pag nasira yung doorknob, tawagin ng maintenance, ipagawa yung doorknob. And then, monitor. Ensure that the solution is effective and the problem does not recur. Pinalitan mo ng bumbilya, no? Napundi uli. Napundi agad uli, no? Tinanggal mo yung bumbilya, pinalitan mo ng bago, napundi uli. Baka hindi na yan obvious problem. Baka complicated problem na yan. Kasi bakit laging napupundi yung ilaw every time nalalagyan mo ng bago?